let's moisturize these lips. Hey hotties, I'm back. So to start off, of course, we're doing our brows. We're filling these bad boys in the best way we know how. Just filling in the second one. I'm just pretty much, I guess, I'm doing my brows the same way I normally do them. Like I said, a brow tutorial will be coming very soon. So watch out for that. Just like and comment on this video. Show your girl some love and let me know that you guys want to see this brow tutorial, okay? So now moving forward, we're going to use our J. La Rue eyeshadow base like we normally do in every video. Now onto eyeshadow, we're taking the iKRAVIN's eyeshadow palette. This palette has so many colors, and it's so pigmented. Y'all see throughout the video. We're gonna take the purple and we're gonna blend that on the outer crease. And now we're gonna take the blue and blend that in the actual crease. So just blend those two colors together. I'm like trying to create like this color block type of eyeshadow look, I guess. Yeah, I'm just trying to use as many colors as I can out of this palette to show you guys how good this palette is, okay? So I'm just blending. And now we're gonna place the pink right in the inner corner. Like I said, I'm creating a color block eyeshadow look, so it doesn't really have to be super blended. You just want the colors to, you know, sit where they need to and just blend it a little bit just so all colors have their own spot on your eyes. Okay, so now I'm taking that same eyeshadow base and placing the green right on top of it. And onto skin, we're gonna take the handy dandy J. La Rue matte primer and place it all over our skin and wait till it dries. This primer is so good. Like I said, it's similar in my last videos. Like I said, it's similar to the Becca, so you guys definitely check this out. Make sure you check my description box for all coupon codes to save money. Now for foundation, we're gonna take the Beauty Bakery Insta Bake foundation and blend this all over our skin. Now taking my e.l.f. concealers, we're gonna go ahead and highlight and contour. So I went ahead and baked my face with the OPV medium setting powder. And now we're setting the entire face with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. I love this powder because it's not super like pigmented, but it gives like a smooth finish. Onto bronzer, we're using our handy dandy Morphe bronzer. This color is in Supreme. I love this bronzer. It's super big and it is affordable, so you can't go wrong. For blush, we're taking our Bella blush from Juvia's Place. Now we're lining our lips with this dark pencil. This pencil is from Wet n Wild. This is the Simmer Brown Now pencil, and we're gonna go ahead and put a nude on top with a gloss. All products will be described in the description box. And here is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in with your girl, okay? So check this out. I done put my little wig on, okay? And yeah, your girl feel real good, real cute. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Peace out.